Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the concept top of mind and top of heart. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a concept of marketing. It got the following characteristic. The top of mind is where the user has in mind as a specific brand in his head. Refers to the brand or product that comes first in the mind of the consumer when thinking about a specific industry. The top of heart is the human and sentimental space that the brand occupies in the customer heart. Describe a consumer's preference for a certain brand of their products or services based on the degree of affection through the development. This marketing concept is essential to position a brand, knowing what state of your organization is and indirect your strategy. Be on the top of mind and the top of heart of your buyers and user cost a lot, and it's essential to have their clear part. So top of mind and top of heart are extremely important concepts, specifically when you are creating a advertising strategy, a consumer focused product or services, and these kind of situations allow you to create an objective that you want to achieve with your strategy or campaign. Before I start explaining this concept, if you like our content, if you like our channels, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. Turn on the bell, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and that allow us to keep working in the things that we love. Okay, so the top of mind is basically the first references that you have of a brand with a specific category. So it's basically a position that got quality, cost, and time. So it's the first thing that you have. For example, the top of mind of soft drinks it's Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is in the top of mind of the majority of the people when they think about um, soft drinks, basically. And of course, that is very important because sometimes people don't say, give me a soft drink, they say, give me a Coca Cola. So that is extremely important because when you are in the top of mind of your customers, it really helps you a lot to establish a strategy that allow you to keep in that. The top of heart is when you are touching the feelings of the people. It's basically the preference that a consumer by the level of affection that you have of a brand. Is basically when you got loyalty. When you got loyalty from your customers and is basically focused on the feelings, on the experience, and people remember what you are thinking and what you have in your head. So that is very, very important as well because it will allow you to understand what's going on. So it's basically very important because it really allowed you to keep yourself fresh, keep yourself in the mind of your customers, but also besides that you are in the mind of your customer, they really develop feelings for you. So for example, when someone's go to a restaurant, it's not always for the food, it's because of what they feel being there. So they say like, yeah, I'm gonna go to this specific restaurant not because the food is the best, it's because I feel amazing in that place. So that is extremely important. If you are in the top of heart of your consumers, they develop a bond with you. They develop a loyalty to your product or your service. How do you develop the top of heart? Listening is extremely important. You have to listen to your customers. You have to work user centered design. You have to be innovating, continuing, and always develop a experience that is very important. Being the top of mind is extremely important, but it takes a lot of time. The time is really a specific category. If you are new to something, it will be very hard that you are in the top of mind of your consumers unless it's a new category or something new. As a conclusion, we can say that these two concepts are very important and basically allow you to investigate and research in what you are looking and how can you develop that to your consumers. The strategy can go well if you improve the experience of loyalty from your customers, but you have to really repeat and always keep innovated if you want to be in that specific spot. Thank you so much. I hope you like a lot this video. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Thursday we have a new video in English and every Monday a new video in Spanish. Our Udemy courses are already available in the description of this video. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.